Scrapplications. I woke up with the best idea today. Let's go to work. I want to show people how to turn simple scraps into a good project. Let's go to our scrap pile. Yeah, I think this is perfect. This is some brushed synthetic metal by Johnson's Plastics. We're going to put it in our 48 by 36. Ambystoma mexicanum. Origin, Mexico. Status, critically endangered. Aww. Time to cut it out. Look at that shine. Let's take this guy home. Alright, put it on there. Okay, I got it. There we go. There we go. Look at my pet axolotl Twinkie. Looks pretty good. It all came together. And until next time, see ya!